SAP Joule for Consultants is a conversational AI solution specially designed to help SAP consultants working on cloud transformation and implementation projects. With exclusive access to SAP's expert-curated resources, it provides reliable information quickly, saving time on consulting tasks, reducing rework, and accelerating delivery. On the homepage, you'll see some menu buttons called conversation starters, which are easy one-click prompts to help you get going. You'll also find quick links, which is a shortcut to frequently used features like the prompt guide, prompt library, what's new, and the user console. The prompt guide is a good place to start. It gives you a quick overview of how to write effective prompts in SAP Joule for Consultants. It also contains a few examples for you to try, like this one on configuring SAP Identity and Access Management, ensuring that user roles and permissions are strictly enforced according to the principle of least privilege. If you click on Try, it automatically puts that prompt into the conversation box, and Joule generates a detailed summary of the configuration process for you to follow. If it's been a while since you last worked with SAP Transportation Management, for example, you might start by asking Joule what's been modified in the events and handling execution process of SAP TM in S/4HANA 2023 Private Cloud version. Joule will pull up the SAP knowledge most relevant to the specific systems and versions. It'll summarize recent changes without you having to manually search through multiple documents from different sources. And if you're unfamiliar with the topic or want to check some details, you can always view the source documents at the bottom. You'll see this answer is referencing SAP's exclusive content, such as SAP Notes. These are examples of content sources that are not accessible from third-party AI tools. If you want to dig deeper, Joule can help. In this example, you can drill down into this SAP note to get in-depth details of a specific change. SAP Joule for Consultants can help at different phases of an implementation project. Let's suppose you're in the realize phase and you need some more details about the configuration process for freight order documents in SAP Transportation Manager. Enter your prompt, and Joule comes back with a comprehensive answer in a fraction of the time it would take to research manually. Joule even anticipates your next question, asking you if there's any area where you'd like to know more. If you reply, "Yes, tell me more about the EWM integration mapping process," Joule will immediately provide a breakdown of freight order to delivery document type mapping, prerequisites, and recommendations for troubleshooting. As you can see, this response contains official SAP guidance from exclusive documentation sources not available to public search tools. In this case, the SAP Implementation Guide, or IMG. As you're moving through your project, you may come across some unfamiliar ABAP code. Simply ask Joule to explain it. Thanks to SAP's fine-tuned ABAP model, trained on hundreds of millions of lines of real-world ABAP code, it will break down and explain even complex custom logic instantly. Click on the 3 bars top left, and under Quick Links and Resources, you'll find the console. It's the central hub for consultants and administrators. Depending on your role, you'll see either the end user or admin view. Everyone can see this overview tab, which provides a summary of what's new in each release of SAP Joule for Consultants, so you're always aware of recent product updates. Here, we're seeing the admin view, which comes with additional features such as the Usage tab, which provides visual insights into product adoption so managers can track usage trends and engagement over time, by week, month, or quarter. Admins also have access to the Settings tab, where they can personalize the user experience, for example, by setting a custom welcome message. Finally, here's the prompt library, a feature available to everyone. Think of the prompt library as an extension of the prompt guide. It's a curated collection of prompts tailored for various consulting roles and project areas. For example, you can filter by technology consultant and security best practices. This narrows down the topic cards, and if you click the last one in the list called Fiori SSO Implementation Process, you'll see not only a recommended prompt, but also an example of a less effective prompt, along with tips and best practices. If you'd like to use the sample prompt, you can copy and paste it back into the conversation box. That was just a glimpse of the many ways SAP Joule for Consultants can help you in your everyday tasks. So, go ahead and make your life easier, and put it to work today.